how is AI going to change your business and all businesses in the next 5 years? Are we going to have massive unemployment? What do you make of all that, Grant?
I think we will. I think we will have we will lose massive jobs. Hundreds of millions of jobs will be lost in certain spaces, and those jobs will be added in others. You're still going to need, nobody's replacing me, and nobody's going to replace you. Okay. There is no AI. Somebody wrote me the other day and said, AI is going to displace all three of your companies. I'm like, bro, ain't nobody displacing me. I'm going to use AI to expand and scale my companies.
Right.
This thing, bro, I'm on AI. I use AI every day.
Yeah. So does Saylor, right? That's where he got all of his great ideas, just by going back and forth with AI. He said faster than any group of accountants or lawyers could have ever helped him.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. But you got to be willing to ask the question.
Yeah. And challenge it and push back and iterate and these kinds of things. Right.
Yeah. I do think though that we end up in this era where we will have robots. I believe Elon on that. I believe we will have robots. Everybody will have them. I believe we'll have universal income.
Okay. That's a little scary.
But I believe we will have it. To some degree, we already have it worldwide.
Yeah. With just the welfare state, you mean?
Yeah, but 40 million people get SNAP food relief every month in this country. Over here, what do they get over there?
Yeah, it's the same thing. And a huge.
You guys have ruined Europe. All of Europe's ruined.
Yeah, Europe's not coming back. America, you have Trump and you have a ray of hope, and you can at least see that there's a way out of it. And Europe, there ain't no Trump coming over here, and it's going to slowly grind down. And unfortunately, it's rooted in socialists. There's a dirty, nasty socialist vertebrae in Europe, and then UK is so goddamn close. People pull into it, and I don't see a way around it, Grant.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
Well, I think there is a way around it. Okay?
What is it? Ownership?
Spiritual awareness. Find out who you are. I'm extremely curious about God, spirituality, expansion, possibility, potential, awareness. Because that's where opportunity comes from. You can't see if you're occluded. If I'm blaming John over here, even if John did it, by the way, even if John did something bad to me, I'm blaming John or the priest or the politician. I'm blaming him. I'm not taking responsibility. How did I put myself in this situation? Why did John pick me and not you? I did something to get myself there. I don't want to repeat that activity. I'm blind. I'm occluded to something. And by the way, if I'm occluded to any one thing, that means I could be occluded to a million other things. And so if I can remain curious, who am I? Where did I come from? Why do I fuck up? Why do I pick the wrong friends? Why am I reactive? Why do I have fears and phobias that I can't even explain? Why would somebody be scared of a plane or heights or water when they have never had a negative experience with one of those? Okay, why am I scared of success? Why am I scared of money? So these are things that my church helped me with, Brian, so much. The technology of me discovering what is causing me to be reactive, limiting my beliefs and possibilities and opportunities, and making me become more aware of my relationship with God and what God has stored and instilled in me so that I can reach my full potential and actually be somewhat satisfied with with life. Cause I don't think money or success makes you satisfied. I think it's like, I'm reaching, that's why you say I look 15 years older, bro. It's my church. It's me being curious. A man that is not curious is going to look old.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. So you're challenging everybody in Europe to get spiritual.
Become aware, man.
Become aware, to look, self-discover.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website, londonreal.tv, or click the link in the description below.
Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long. And the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you.